breathing exercises, and other techniques to remain calm. Breathing exercises? Yes, if you're looking to improve your ability to stay calm and collected under pressure. Then there are numerous different techniques you can use. One of the most potent is to learn to control your breathing, which can immediately help you to feel calmer and avoid being pushed over into the stress response. In this post, we'll be looking at some breathing techniques you can employ to stay calm, as well as looking at some other techniques you can use. Equal breathing. Equal breathing is a technique from yoga, which essentially requires you to breathe in and out through your nose. While doing this, you maintain your breath for an equal amount of time on the inwards and outwards breaths. So you might breathe out for 4 seconds, and then breathe in for 4 seconds. This helps you to empty your lungs and fill them with fresh oxygen. What's more, the slow and deep breathing will allow you to trigger your rest and digest state, which is similar, but slightly different to the fight or flight state, and is controlled by the parasympathetic nervous system. This is a great way to stave off anxiety response. Click the link to read on.